It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Sweetener no-nos. The keto diet has one big central theme. We want you to drop blood sugar levels to a point where the body has to burn up fat when it needs energy. The body will always grab the first, most easily available form of energy. If there's a bunch of sugar floating around in the blood, it will use that for energy and leave the fat in the body right where it is. It's the whole reason for the keto diet to exist, to give your body what it needs to be really healthy and to start burning fat for fuel instead of sugar. However, many of us are subject to sugar cravings to the point that it's like a drug addiction. For those of us with certain genetics, and this includes me, it actually is exactly like a drug addiction. It's not even our fault. This is the hardest thing for people to believe and understand about themselves. We always want to blame ourselves. If we have certain genetics, our bodies scream at us for a sugar fix. And as long as we're out of balance, it's worse. To help us get through the day, many of us chase the sensation of sweetness on our tongue. It gives our brain a feeling of well-being, a sense of well-being for a very short time. Then we feel bad, and the craving starts over again. Sounds a lot like heroin addiction. Keto does allow for certain sweeteners, but only the ones that don't create a reaction in the pancreas and change to the blood chemistry. Here are the do's and don'ts for which sweeteners are okay. First, the don'ts. These sweeteners are on the do not use list because the body doesn't like them. Either they have an effect in the blood chemistry or they have gastrointestinal side effects. This group is called the polyols. Except for one exception, if it has TOL on the end, don't use it. When maltitol and other sugar alcohols get to the large intestine, they get fermented by gut bacteria. This creates gas and bloating. When you get these unabsorbed sugars in the intestines, they attract water. This can cause diarrhea and or loose stools. If you already have some gut problem like irritable bowel syndrome, you'll be extra sensitive to these sugar alcohols. Anyway, just the name sugar alcohol should tell you that it's probably not good for you. Here are the polyol no-nos: sorbitol, maltolol, Splenda, and maltodextrin, which is also used as a pesticide. The next group are not good for other reasons, mainly because they're just another form of sugar. Vegetable glycerin, honey, agave, and molasses. What can you use? Glad you asked. The following are okay because they don't cause the body to have any kind of sugar reaction. Number 1, stevia. Number 2, pure liquid sucralose. Now this is liquid version only. Powdered sucralose is actually a problem, so only liquid sucralose. Erythritol, which you will find under the brand name Swerve. Xylitol, monk fruit, tagatose, and allulose. These sweeteners won't give you any problems, but they also don't give you the drug-like rush of sugar. It means you have to get used to using them. Everything about the keto lifestyle works better with time and repetition. Your body gets used to it and it seems normal. Your taste buds and your brain will adjust. And after you've been off sugar for a while, it won't even taste good. These alternate sweeteners will start tasting right to your tongue. So keep up. You can do this. And that's today's tip. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.